Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Sometimes you may want to claim ownership of a Facebook page, especially if it represents your business, brand, or organization. Claiming ownership gives you full control over the page, including managing posts, ads, and page settings. You can do this through Facebook Business Manager, and it's easy if you follow the right steps carefully. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account that you want to use to claim the page. Then search for Business Facebook. Open the website. This is where Facebook manages business pages and assets. Here, click on the page name from the left side to select the page you want to claim and check it to make sure it's the correct one. Now, click on Settings from the bottom left side of the screen. This will open all the management options for your business account. Then click on Profiles. Here you can see all profiles connected to your business account. Now scroll down the left panel and click on Business Assets. This is where you can manage and add different business accounts and pages. Here you will find options to add your Facebook page, Instagram profile, or add account to your business assets. Now click on Add for Facebook page. You will see three options: create a new Facebook page, request shared access to a Facebook page, or add an existing Facebook page. Click on Add an existing Facebook page. This is the option you need if the page already exists and you want to claim ownership. Here, you will find options like Review People and Request Approval. These help you check who else has access to the page and send your ownership request safely. Now enter the Facebook page name or URL of the page you want to claim. Make sure it is correct to avoid sending a request to the wrong page. Then click on Next. Here you can review the people who currently have access to the page. This helps you understand who else might be managing it. Then click on Next again to proceed. Finally, check the Review and Send Request section carefully to make sure everything is correct, and then click on Add Page to submit your ownership request. Once your request is sent, the current page admins will review it. After approval, you will have full ownership and control of the page. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.